Everyone, right now we are in Dimapur airport. We just landed. We are from Kolkata, and just now we just landed. And here's my uncle. Uh, yes, and now we are heading towards our home. And now I'm going to show the beauty of the Dimapur airport. Dear friends, look at this amazing airport. As an aviation lover, I just love the airport as well. Well, now I'm going to show the another view. Looks. I love the structures of the house. Just like as an aviation lover, I just room to see the beautiful airport. I mean, look at the scenery. How is it? I hope you like it. And can you see that? This is the ATC, air traffic control. Now we are ready to go home. Our car has already here. Time to go home now. Bye bye. See you in the next video.